Google just dropped their new Nano Banana Gemini Flash 2.5 model, and it's ridiculously good at images and especially editing. But here's the catch. If you're just typing one-line prompts like make it pretty or add a background, you're leaving most of the power locked away. That's why I built something new, the DFC Banana Prompt Genie. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built it and a live demo where it turned a plain table photo into a Tuscan villa scene with a Persian cat elegantly added on top. Here's the exact workflow I used to bring this to life. First, I grabbed the official Nano Banana prompt guide from Google. I fed that into Notebook LM as a source and asked it to create a detailed, easy-to-use guide for how to prompt Nano Banana. I took that Notebook LM guide, moved it into Google Docs, and then cleaned it up into a polished PDF version. Then I used my own Prompt Forge GPT to turn that PDF into a set of clear custom GPT instructions. Finally, I created the custom GPT itself, uploaded the PDF as its knowledge base, applied those instructions, and that's how the DFC Banana Prompt Genie was born. In other words, I turned a dense technical manual into an actual assistant that writes world-class prompts for Nano Banana, so you don't have to.
Epic!
Now let me show you what it can do. I started with a simple photo of a wooden table, nothing fancy, just a raw image. Then I asked the genie, I want Nano Banana to style this piece in a Tuscan bohemian villa. How should I prompt it? Here's what it gave me. It described terracotta floors, rustic plaster walls, arched windows, flowing curtains, colorful rugs, olive trees, and afternoon light. It told Nano Banana to keep the table intact, but harmonize it with a warm Mediterranean vibe. The result, a plain table was suddenly placed inside a cinematic Tuscan villa setting. But I didn't stop there. Next, I asked, now add a Persian cat into the scene. And again, instead of just slapping a random cat into the image, the genie integrated it naturally, lounging gracefully on the table, bathed in golden sunlight, fitting perfectly with the bohemian atmosphere. That's the difference between a lazy one-line prompt and an engineered prompt built with context, lighting, and style in mind. Here's why this matters for you. AI tools like Nano Banana are only as good as the prompts you feed them. If your prompts are vague, your results will look vague. But if your prompts are structured, detailed, and context-rich, your outputs look like they came from a professional design studio. That's exactly what the DFC Banana Prompt Genie gives you. Context-rich prompts that set the scene, built-in camera and lighting language, and harmony between objects and the environment. And most importantly, it saves you time. No more reading multiple page manuals, no more trial and error, just instant high-quality prompts that work. So, here's my question. If you had Nano Banana following your prompts perfectly, what's the first scene you'd create? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see your creativity. If you want access to the DFC Banana Prompt Genie, you'll find the link in the description below. It'll take you to my AI Essentials resources page where you can sign up and grab it instantly. And while you're here, leave me a comment and tell me what's the one AI tool or workflow that's been saving you the most time lately. Creators who master prompting are going to dominate this next wave of AI content. Those who don't, they'll stay stuck with basic outputs that look the same as everyone else's. This is your chance to get ahead. Check the link in the description, grab the genie, and start creating prompts that make Nano Banana work like a pro designer at your fingertips. And don't forget to subscribe because every week I drop more AI workflows, automations, and growth strategies to help you save time, work smarter, and scale faster. See you in the next one.